Hey, my people, as e dey hot, e don happen o. Papa don carry 17-year-old boy go put for HK. Now the 17-year-old boy don use papa take do. Hey, the reason don say problem, you know dey finish. Hey, man, not talk too much because this 17-year-old boy don begin dey confess now because the thing don begin dey worry am. Man, not talk too much. Man, now watch the video, please. After watching this video, don't forget to share this video and please follow my page for part 2 because I dey post the part 2 after this part 1. Man, I watch am.
My name is Bamilele Omotosu.
Speak louder.
It all started April when I went to meet my dad in Saple. So my dad took me to HK.
Your daddy?
Yes.
Took you to where?
HK office.
To HK?
Yes, where Yahoo Boys is.
Your father took you to Yahoo Boys office?
Yes, my daddy always, if I follow him to work, he always told me that my age mate also drive big cars, just do big things, build house. So the spirit of money entered me. So I was thinking about big things, going to do great things. So my dad told me that he's going to take me to one of his friends because he has many connections. So he took me to one boy.
Hold on first. The HK is a Yahoo office.
Yes.
Where they carry Yahoo boys to go and train.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
So your father took you there for training.
Yes.
That your mates are driving cars.
Yes.
All right. Yahoo. The father said his mates. How old are you?
I'm just 17 years old.
His mates are driving cars. So let me take you to the Yahoo house. Go and learn so that you can drive. Oh yeah, go ahead.
So he took me there. He bought me a phone. So I just started gradually. I was going. So the first thing I just learned how to hack Facebook, Instagram, and wall defense. So I was going. Then my phone broke down on the road. So I went to meet my dad because my Shema don't to buy phone for boys. He don't to.
So there is a Shema that train people for the Yahoo.
Yes, we have the Shema. We used to call it Shema. In Saple in Share Road, that you see the group of Yahoo boys. They're always in food, driving Benz, Lexus, different type of cars. So I went to meet my dad that my boss said that he's not going to buy phone for me, or that I need to buy phone. So we were struggling to buy phone. On the line, they arrested my dad. One of his customers. He gave him something to do. He didn't do it. So the money that was with me, I have no choice. I used it to pay him. So we worked for another morning again. Then I was not telling my dad I'm not going to go back to that place because everything is very hard. I'm suffering there. That I just eat sometimes 2 square meal a day. I don't even sleep at night, even in the afternoon.
What do you do while you are not sleeping?
We press now.
What are they pressing?
we press our phone now. We do Yahoo.
Okay.
So then my dad, we walk out. Then I was able to buy a phone. So I went back. So around June, yes, I took my first ticket was almost $700.
So, you say what is?
$700.
What is dollars?
Dollar.
Your first.
Okay, your first pick.
Yes.
I just heard that English recently. Pick.
Yes, my first ticket is $700.
Okay, picking your first ticket.
My shell from it was 150,000. I didn't give my dad. I didn't tell him that I take money from what I was doing. I keep that to myself and I beg my Shema that, Shema, please don't tell my dad. So I called my mom. When my phone spoiled, I called my mom that, Mom, look at what my daddy take me to. So I said I should give me phone. I don't have phone. My mom was not telling me that, you not say okay, that she would put phone for me in motor. Then my mom called pastor. She was not telling me that pastor said I should not give me phone, that I should not have one with me, any Yahoo money, that anywhere I call her name is going to backfire me. I was not saying that. What are you saying to me? So that vaccination, I was not telling her that for life, if I make it, I'm going to suffer you.
That if you make it?
Yes, I'm going to suffer.
Okay, your mom initially wanted to buy you the phone.
Yes.
So it's like he spoke to me
Yes.
and I said he shouldn't try it.
Yes.
Then that you want to use it for Yahoo.
Yes.
So you now reply telling her that if you make it in life, you are going to suffer her.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
So when I take my money, $150, so I have to change my closet, then buy a new phone. So I was doing it. Then few weeks after, I took $500 again. So I will not celebrating because each time you take money from the HK, you will become next boss, close to boss. They will hail you, call it different type of name.
What is the name they call you?
Slim Daddy.
I want to know now, eh?
Slim Daddy.
Go ahead.
So I was not happy because each time they call me that name, spirit in my body will inspire me to give them money. To give different money. So my shema, each time you take money, you are going to go to a club in the night, hotel, you are going to sleep the night, it's going to give you a gear. But I don't like.
Like
Come
how
again,
many
we didn't hear
girls?
that.
Like how many girlfriends do you have?
It will give you 2 guests.
Okay.
Just to entertain you for that night.
Go ahead.
So after that, went to July. So I was not taking again. I was not saying what is happening because all my women I put in love. I used to write them in love, put them in love and trust. But on the line, they will not start disappointing me that no, I don't have money. I was not saying what now. I was not saying what happened. When I say that they don't have money, my shaman said it's a lie. They have money. That she's going to do something for me. They are going to give me the money. So I say okay.
You see where they are trying to take him deeper now. They first of all attracted him. Go ahead. They go ahead.
So on July 13, we went to a church there's a place in Saple called Ghana. So took me to a place. On that day we were going, police saw us on the road. So our motor did not have a number. So my shaman was saying that we should throw our phone in the bush, so, because if they catch us, they don't have any hand in our business. And I say, oh. So my shaman said, okay, let's just pass the bush. So we passed bush, we went to the church. The church is being owned by a woman, very big church. Only Yahoo boys are there, just Yahoo boys.
In the Ghana in Saple.
Yes, different cars, different boys, huge, fine boys, different things. They also spend money there. So the woman told us to buy perfume, that there is evil spray that is following us. I should buy perfume. The perfume is 50,000 naira. So my shaman bought for me, we were 5. So he bought for us. So we took it home. I used to use the perfume to spray my body, even spray my phone safe.
Spray your food.
Yes, my phone. Anytime I want to press my phone. So I was still talking to the women. There was no improvement. I was not saying, Shema, what is happening now? Not saying, no. So he now said I should put the woman in binary, Bitcoin, in business.
Bitcoin?
Yes.
Huh.
So I put her into investment.
Oh my God.
So she put her this other one. So she paid me $1,250. That money she paid me. So during August, I got broke. There was no money with me. So because if you don't have money in the HK, they don't also look your face. If you shop or you not shop, you not concern anybody. So I will not call my mom that because August 7 was my birthday. I will not call my mom, what are you going to give me in my birthday? My mom said she don't have money or she's not going to give me anything until I come home, but she's going to buy me something. I will not say okay now. So I was doing. So my shaman took me to church around 10 in the evening. So we went to the church.
Still in Saple?
Yes, in camp, the place camp, bush. So that is beside my dad used to stay. So my dad didn't even know I went there. So we went to the church. We leaned down. They put candle on our hand. Then they put candle on the something like a iron. So they were saying we should pray that we are going to collect. No blockage in our head. We're not praying. They put candle on our head. Point the candle on our heads. We're praying. We're praying for grace, luck, money. So we slept there. In the morning, I was feeling dizzy. Saying, Shema, I want to go and sleep. Shema said, you are not going to sleep. Oh. You are going to press. That prayer you did last night, we're going to see the effect. So we're doing it. Along the line, one woman caught me that I'm a scammer. She was not costing me black household. And I threatened that I'm going to kill her.
Online.
Yes.
One of your clients started calling you that you're a scammer.
Yes. So I threatened to kill her. She said that she's going to call the FBI. So my shaman said I should broke down my SIM because FBI can track us. So I broke the SIM. I went to buy a new one. So we're not doing. SIM that I was not picking again. Nothing was coming. I was not saying, Jesus. Is it me that is this? Me also pick. Nothing. Bololo.
Bololo. I hear that one. Bololo.
Nothing to show for. Nothing. So my shaman took me to a woman. This one is another woman. This woman they also shout holy in
Only Jaja. You
yes.
need to turn around.
Yes. So she
At
said,
where? At where?
when we need and then she showed us a bowl how she put our egg inside that we are going to see our destiny. Then I put my egg inside. I saw myself driving big cars, doing different things. So I was not happy. So she said that before I'm going to collect the egg from it, there's something that I'm going to lose for it.